So hello friends, welcome to my channel Jobonimus, and in today's video we are going to discuss about Amazon's new job opportunity that has been floated on their website. And in this job opportunity freshers as well as experienced candidates can apply. So do consider watching this video till the end very carefully, and in case you are new to my channel, consider subscribing it, and please do like this video to support my channel as it gives me a lot of motivation. Now, first of all, we will discuss about this particular job role. Its name is Digital IVA Associate. So please do not confuse yourself. This is very different from Digital Associate or Digital Content Associate. I had prepared both these videos in the past. You can check those videos out and then you will be able to understand the difference. But many people in those videos were also asking, is it digital IVA or not? So they were not digital IVA. I am first time uploading the video for Digital IVA Associate, which is completely different from Digital Associate as well as Digital Content Associate. Now, what is the job description for this particular role? So here your main role will be to annotate images, audios and video files. So you will be given different images, audios and video files on a daily basis, and you have to annotate them. So what is the meaning of annotation? That means you will have to label them or add some comment or text in them so that they can be understood by people. So what happens is sometimes when people receive an image or they see an image, they are not able to understand where this image has come from and what is the underlying meaning that this image is trying to convey. So your role will be to gather data behind that image and where that image has come from and what is the purpose of that image or video, and then you have to add that text or comment in that video or image file so that it can be annotated and can be easily understood by people. So this is your main role, and besides that you will have to follow certain SOPs that company will tell you, and you have to do this task with the help of a software, and most likely it will be a Photoshop related software like an Adobe Photoshop or something. So in case you don't have any knowledge about Adobe Photoshop, there are multiple tutorials available free of cost on YouTube. I will give you the link in the description box. You can easily go through them, and I'll also tell you some of the other tools that are also available that are very similar to Adobe Photoshop. And in case you already know Adobe Photoshop, you can go through the tutorial of other Photoshop softwares. This will be very useful for you in this particular job role. Now regarding the salary and who can apply, so any graduate can apply. They are preferring quantitative science or engineering graduates, but it is not mandatory. They have clearly written any graduate is available to apply, and you can have 0 to 5 years of experience. Other skills that you need to have is that you should be internet savvy. That means you should be easily able to use internet, and you need to have good skills in MS Word and MS Excel. So these are the basic skills and criteria for this job role. The salary for this job role can go up to 2.75 LPA maximum as far as I know. And regarding the interview rounds, so that I need to tell you, first there will be online tests. So first will be analytical ability and verbal ability test. So for verbal ability, I am giving you link in the description box. You can go through that video for Amazon aptitude. There you can find certain logical reasoning and verbal ability type questions also. And in analytical ability, it is a mixture of mathematical and logical reasoning questions. So you can go through that Amazon aptitude video and you will be able to understand what kind of questions can be asked. The only difference is in analytical ability, some pie charts and these kind of questions can also be asked. And once you clear this round for analytical and verbal ability, next round will be an IVA round. So it will be image based round and 30 to 40 multiple choice questions will be there. So certain images will be given to you and you will have to find the difference between those images, or and something like they can give you certain images and they will hide certain images and they will ask you the identity of which how many images is not shown. So these kind of questions can be there. These are not very difficult questions, so if you apply a bit of common sense you will be able to solve that. and once you clear these two rounds, the next round again will be HR and the operations round. So I'll cover some of the interview questions that can be asked for this HR and operations round, and for that I'll take you to my computer screen and I'll also tell you how to apply for this particular job role. So friends, now I have taken you to my computer screen, and first I'll discuss some of the interview questions that can be asked in Digital IVA. So these questions could be, what are the tools used for Adobe Photoshop? So for that you can watch a tutorial video. I'm giving the link in the description. Then alternatives for Adobe Photoshop. So you must be aware of some of them. Affinity Photo, Procreate, Photopea or GIMP. Then there can be other questions like, can you do repetitive tasks, because this will be required for this role? What are some data collection techniques? What do you understand by annotations? So that I have already explained you before. What are SOPs? What is productivity? Talk about a time when you had to dive deep to solve a problem. So these are some of the interview questions that can be asked. I have covered the sample answers for these questions in some of the other videos. You can check out those videos for Amazon. Now I'll show you how you can apply for this job role. So I floated them on my website. You can go there, and one is for Chennai location, other is for Hyderabad. So for some period of time they can allow you work from home, but eventually you will have to relocate to these locations when required by company. So suppose if you want to apply for Hyderabad, you can go there. Once you click that link, you will come to this page. There you can read about the entire job description, the skills, eligibility criteria, and if you feel comfortable, just click on apply for this job button. So now this button has been inserted. Earlier there was some issue, but now you will be able to redirect to directly the Amazon website where this job has been floated, Digital IVA Associate. So for Hyderabad as well as Chennai location, both links are given. And in case you want to get your CV rectified for this job role or any other job role, you can take this service. I have started this service. Link is in the description box. So I hope this video would have been useful for you. So please do like this video and subscribe to my channel to get more such openings in future, and I'll meet you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.